As I said earlier, these folks have really embraced the idea of harvesting free, unlimited solar energy. And what you see here in front of me is a 6 kW photovoltaic system. 6,000 watts under good conditions can be produced. We have 24 photovoltaic modules here. These are polycrystalline. They're wired in 2 circuits of 12 each, also known as strings. We've got 2 strings of 12 each. We collect the photons from sunshine and turn it into voltage. There's where the name comes from. Photons to voltage, photovoltaic modules. These are mounted to the roof using 5/16 by 3.5 lag bolts. They're anchored every 48 inches in both directions. We've got a wind uplift of 130 miles an hour. And we're on the coast, so we've got to do that. This is the rooftop portion of the customer's 6,000 watt photovoltaic system.